Hello everybody, how you doing? This is FYS101 and this is Adrian. We are going over the course layout. Much like the syllabi, I have this broken down in in a folder with two different formats, one of which is a PDF and an XLS. So I'm going to open up the Excel right now so we can take a look. And the first thing you'll notice when you open this up is it's pretty darn colorful. And I do that with purpose. Now, I use a color codification system, and I started using this when I was in undergrad, and it really helped me out. And you'll see how this works in my class. But you have 4 different modules, and I use a Roy G. Biv color codification system. So you have red, orange, yellow, green, and what you'll find is as you go through the term, when we go into the different modules, you'll find the color codification will match. We begin on October 19th and we end on December 18th. And so if you look at this, you have 1 course writing assignment in the very beginning worth 50 points. You have 3 passport assignments worth 75 points total, so they're 25 apiece. And then the focus 2 assignments come at you pretty fast and furious, week to week to week, and we'll be digging into those at 10 points apiece. And a post and response, 7 of them at 5 points apiece. Academic plan, 25, and then student survey at 40 points. So when you look at this, it comes out to 285 points. Now, we do have Thanksgiving week right smack dab in the middle of there, so please don't show up to don't do any homework on that time. Now, if we go ahead and go into the modules and take a peek here, you have, this is the introduction module, which you've already done some work in there with the syllabi. If you look at this, you have module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. Notice the color codification, red, orange, yellow, green. That matches the red, orange, yellow, green that you saw on that course layout. And when you get in here, something as simple as when you go in, you'll see, like in the focus 2, all the tabs are also red. So you know if you're looking for an assignment in the latter part of the term and you're in a red folder, it's the wrong folder to be in. You know, and I took this a step further when I was a student. This might be a cheat for you guys, but I would break up my terms into different testing segments or modules. Unbeknownst to me, I was using a module format. And so leading into the first test for a class, I would use, the red sticky tabs that you'd use on a book and notes. I'd use a red highlighter. When I got to the next test, leading up to that second test, I would use all orange. The next one, I would use all yellow. So if you open one of my books from undergrad, it would look like a rainbow in there because I would actually have everything leading up to one test to be one color, next test to be another color, next test another color. And when I got to the final, if it was cumulative, it allowed me the opportunity to really organize things and look at a study guide and be able to say, no, that's a green question, that's a yellow question. Nope, that's very early in the term. That's got to be a red question. So it might be a good takeaway for you guys to start exploring ways to kind of organize your thoughts. I know this is how I organize all my classes, and it's just something I kind of do as my own personal brand as an instructor. I don't know what other instructors do, but it's a way I keep organized, and it's a way I keep my students organized in my class. So to that end, guys, if you have questions regarding, if we go back to syllabi and schedule over here, if you have questions regarding any of this stuff, the course layout, course assignments, how things map out for the term, definitely reach out to me, send me an email, let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and get going on your assignments. You got a writing assignment and you got a focus 2 assignment you got to get done. One thing I want to point out, just real quick, let's go back to that PDF. What you'll notice is, if I can snap this guy open a little bit, what you'll notice is with my assignments, I'll assign them on a Monday. So all of these dates are Mondays. So Monday, October 19th, Monday, October 26th, Monday, November 2nd. And it's due by 11:59 the day before the next term. So the terminology I give is it's 1 week minus a minute. So you have literally 1 week to get these assignments done, 1 week to get this post and response done, 1 week to get these 3 things done. And I think that's more than enough time. And I have had students who run into different issues with assignments and they have difficulty getting those in. If you do, and you know you're going to have an issue, send me an email, let me know, and we'll make an accommodation. All right, guys, I think I hit everything I wanted to hit there. You guys have a good one and start getting to work on your homework. Signing off.